All right. Once again, thanks everyone. Thank you very much for joining. I really appreciate. I really appreciate your time and effort for being there. So let's continue. We need to continue. So I'll quickly do a recap of what we've been discussing ever since. Number one, we said the category of business of B2C business are the emotional activities that we need to practice in order to use the social media digital marketing wisely for our business is one, customer satisfaction, being appealing to customer, one-on-one connection and offer. Then other customer satisfaction, we have having a great profile. Number two, great track record. 3, success stories. 4, autorespondence. 5, consistency. And 6, trust. Then under being appealing, we talked about content, which we are still at the moment. So about the content, we said I was giving an example of a particular content that we did for a business which had a great turnaround. And right now, I must tell you, I was saying something yesterday. I don't know if it was in this class. I can't remember. What I was discussing with someone, or probably in this class, I can't remember, which is, I said, these days I've been able to realize that a lot of people behave as if they are not in love. They are actually in love. And love is selling at the moment in Nigeria. Love is selling. So if you have a business or you have some other business to do, it's not bad to have a side hustle. You can think of any business you can do for people in love. They will buy, people will pay. They are saying love is scam, but people are paying a lot of money. I have a friend that is into proposals. Imagine, proposals, that's their business. Anywhere you want to propose, she will arrange it for you guys. So imagine, proposals, and she's making a lot of money. So please, you can create content around even myself. I will start doing matchmaking because me, I like money. So I'm just giving that aside. So when it comes to content is quite important. Content is everything that displays your business. Without quality content and quality content, these are two different things. You can create content because you just want to explain, be informative. But when you create creative content, is when you want to start locking customers, you want to start locking clients, you want to start stealing deals and the likes. So creating quality content is very, very important. And we'll also be talking about quality content, how to create quality content, the kind of content to create, how to manage this content, the sequence at which you have to bring or post this content, and what are the things you should bring first before you bring others. What are the things you should do first before you introduce another thing. Everything has a thing to do with content. And I want to give a snippet of this content, which is there are 3 categories of social. There are 3 categories of customer realization stage. 3 categories: the beginner stage, the intermediate stage, and the advanced stage. The beginner stage is known as the information stage, which is also known as introductory stage. Then the second one is called the interaction stage, which is known as which is quite informative too, but informative in such a way that you are already interacting with your people. Then the last one is the conversion stage. So when you know how to portray your content in an informative way, in an interactive way, and in a conversion way, then you'll be able to make profit in your business. You understand? So next class we'll be talking about the content. We are talking about content only for 1 hour, and giving examples, practical examples or content that are converting. So let's move on from here to the last part, which is the one-on-one. Not the last part, which is the one-on-one connection. How do you create one-on-one connection? This is where email marketing comes in, which is where customer list comes in, which is where newsletter comes in, tips and updates. It's very, very easy. A lot of people, a lot of you guys here, a lot of us here, we are already doing the one-on-one connection. Yes, we are doing it. I have someone since 2020. This lady always send happy Sunday on WhatsApp. Happy Sunday every Sunday. She's quite consistent. But what am I gaining from happy Sunday? She sells adire, and every Sunday she always send that word happy Sunday ... Sometimes happy Sunday with emoji, love emoji. Like, she's actually my friend. Like, she's very close to me. I can't tell her that please remove me. I do that a lot. Please remove me from your broker list. I do that a lot. But I can't tell her. It will be as if I'm breaking her. But I've been able to tell her some other things, which I believe is been working. Instead of telling people happy Sunday, why can't you be informative? Like, share some tips, new tips that is one way or the other relating to your business. If you are into adire, you can share tips every Sunday. Yeah, style tips. How about you style your adire in this way? You understand? And when you share these tips, try to be open, make it an open conversation. Don't just send a broadcast and expect people to just read and forget. Make them curious to text you back after seeing your broadcast. Do you understand me? Make people feel like, oh, I need to message this girl. What is she saying? I need to text this guy back. What is he saying? You understand? Make people feel curious about your content. You understand? So then the next one is give people updates on your business. It's very, very important. We just hit 2.5k followers. Thank you guys. That thing goes a long way. You think it doesn't? It does, because you are in the digital space. You need to carry people along. You need to carry everybody along. We just hit 1,000 followers. Thank you guys. We just hit 200 followers. Thank you guys. Very, very important. You need to update people in your business so that they feel like, I'm one of these 10,000 followers. I help this girl too. That's how it works. That's one-on-one connection. Brokers has helped a lot of people in one-on-one connection. Keep tag. People's birthday, your customer's birthday. Write them down. There's Google Calendar there. You don't need to cram anything. You don't need to write anything down. Just add it to Google Calendar and set a reminder. That's one-on-one connection. Create one-on-one connection with your clients. And these things that has nothing to do with digital space. You are just doing it digitally. Then you are now a digital marketer. It's quite simple. I hope you understand me. So there are a lot of things connected to one-on-one connection. And please write this thing down. This is like an assessment for us. What are the things you feel like you can involve into your business as in one-on-one connection for your client, the ones that you already have? What are the things you can do for your people? What are the things you can add that will benefit them, that will create a long and lasting connection between you two? What are those things? Let's write them down, please. Let's write those things down and share it with ourselves tomorrow at the next class. Then the last part is offer. Offer is very, very important. This is the Nigerian market, like I always say. Nigerians want to rip vendors off. Nigerians want to pay, collect the products, and still collect their money, if possible. You know that, right? That's what Nigerians want to do. Nigerians want to use 5 naira to buy a Range Rover. They want to use 100 naira to buy a mansion. But what do? Give them the mansion. Yeah, give them the mansion. How do you do that? Simple. Your selling price is 1,000 naira. Sorry, your cost price is 1,000 naira. Your selling price is 2,000 naira, and delivery is 300 naira. Instead of saying I'm selling for 2,000 naira, delivery 300 naira, no, I'm selling for 2,300 naira and delivery is free. You understand that? There are a lot of things. See, there is one that I've seen. There is a supermarket like that. They say you have to dance before you. If you dance and enter the supermarket, there will be a certain percentage off on your on whatever you buy. What percentage? Like 1%. And this 1% is on VAT already. It's already part of the VAT that they will collect from you. You understand? Like normal VAT, Nigerian, marketing. I'm talking about digital marketing now. For digital marketing, normal VAT for digital marketing is 7.5% of advert. 7.5%. You are paying 7.5% of every advert that you do in Nigeria. Now, Facebook is now telling us that there's this program that if you add it to your advert, it will boost your this thing. Yes, it will boost it, but at least you eventually pay for it, because you pay for it in the 7.5. You don't know that you already paid for it. But to you, you'll be like, wow, Facebook is giving me a booster. There's no booster anywhere. That is what they call offer. If you know you can't give offer normally, try to find a way to implement giving offers that makes people feel like they are ripping you off. Then you can sell something called value. You understand? So that offer is something we should talk extensively. But I already know that a lot of people here, we are already adopting that, and it will work in the long run. So guys, that's that about offer. So that's that about B2 category of business, selling emotion category of business, B2C. We already know what we discussed, category of business, B2B.